What's up, Facebook, YouTube? This is Mike, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Here out at a new client home. They found me on Facebook. Here out doing three-piece furniture cleaning. So I'll take you guys in, show you guys what I'm doing. I'm out in the, I think like Bell Fountain area. I got my sign out. So potentially, maybe fine. Maybe somebody might walk up and see. You never know. But I got everything ran already, ready to go. That's a three-piece. So I already pre-sprayed this, those. Oh, some motherfucker. So let's see. Do have a few little spots like that. Alright, you guys, finished up cleaning this furniture. I'm sorry I did not get no video of me actually cleaning the furniture, but if you've seen some of my videos, you will see how I clean it. Mainly with this attachment, have the vacuum, had everything set up, so